Welcome to another video. In this video we'll see N457 on a down Aubrey service and a tour of the Seymour Stabling yards. N457. Here we are at Seymour. There's a 3-car broad gauge Velocity, 2-carriage printer. It looks like some N cars. There's some old carriages around, and there's also a loco down there. This is a broad gauge Velocity because it's unit 69. Would it be a standard gauge? I'm not sure which siding standard gauge, and Seymour Station's up that way. And that looks like an old sleeping car or something, I'm not sure. And you can see a couple of N cars. This is a look at the front of the Sprinter, and then maybe they're starting to retire the N cars. I'm not sure why they're there. Those are the tracks over there, some wooden sleepers, and there's signals up that end. This is like a freight depot. There's like some research recently and found out these carriages are here because every time they enter a standard gauge Velocity, they keep the standard gauge locos in service, but they retire the carriages, which is why there's so many carriages here. If I found this out through YouTube, so I'll put a link down below where I found this out.